Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and as you see, today we'll be tracking Tropical Storm Damrey or whatever they pronounce it. So as you see, it's already past 7 p.m. So this is probably around there somewhere. But as you see, we're expecting it to come close to Japan, but and then after they just stay away from Japan. This is at 7 p.m. 7 a.m. tomorrow. 7 p.m. tomorrow as a category 1. 7 a.m. on the 27th. 7 p.m. on the 27th. And then after that, 7, or actually over here, 7 a.m. on the 27th. 7 p.m. on the 27th. That's 7 p.m. on the 28th. So that's basically it. It started to form all the way back at 22nd, which was basically quite a few days ago. But yeah, we're expecting it to head like northwest, but then have to turn north, kind of a little bit west. So, but then after that, go up northeast. So that's basically kind of a long path, as you can see here. But yeah, see you in the next video.